And a reminder, we had a one-way up day in the morning, and we had a one-way down day in the afternoon. So it was a two-way day, it turns out, which is normal. And I do believe that the market is trying to sort out directionality. So we're opening in the gap area, obviously. The close yesterday was 46. So we said make sure you get paid pre-market if you took the long, because there's a lot of smoke and mirrors going on. Theoretically, morning after trend day says buy. So the question really becomes, how far can it run today? A lot of traders are convinced that we can do no wrong. So I think it was a smart market to come back. It gives traders who are committed a chance to reload with no guarantee. And that's the caveat. Because normally on a breakout, on a squeeze pivot type breakout, they're not going to give you that opportunity. They're going to hold you. That's why we said this 46.5 zone was a, support pivot until broken, and it gets broken overnight, but it does no real technical damage, right? I mean, it doesn't break that 41 zone, and certainly never comes back and undoes this angel. So you can buy that with the caveat that we're thinking that maybe today is not going to be as strong, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. A lot of traders convinced we're going right into the 60s already, and high 50s. Well, it makes sense to bounce back and retest this leg from yesterday, no doubt. So the real question becomes, are the bears going to contain that bounce this morning? That's the, I said our primary target should be that 48 to 49 if we're lucky to get that push. Because that would be the middle of this swing from here to that 41. Right? That was the measure that we did, came out like 49. So if you get into that 47 to 48 area, make sure you get paid because from the dynamics of that swing, that's the middle. And there are trapped traders both sides. There are traders who are trapped from under the 52 yesterday. Once this turned, came down here, those traders still on the hook, and obviously we've got traders trapped from down here. So it makes perfect sense for us this morning to do some shopping around and saying, do you really want to break out this 46.5? Do you really want to hold this 41 last year's settlement? So no matter how you play it, if you played long side as we suggested for the gap, make sure you get paid coming into that 46 to 49 zone. And if you are shorting, make sure that you keep a tight stop on it. Because based on that premise, shorts will attempt to use this probably 48 to 52 again as defense.